Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how you can set up simple node application in your machine. First of all, to set up a node application you need to install nodejs in your machine. Okay, so just go to the official website of nodejs and from here you can download recommended version from the website. So once you will download, you just need to run the setup and it will be installed on your machine. I have already installed it, so I am not going to run the setup. Now, what you have to do is you have to go to the installed location. So here in Windows, you have to go to program files. So the default location for Node.js is here. Your C drive, program files, and Node.js for Windows. So what you have to do is you have to take this path and add it to the environment variable. Okay, so just open the environment variable, go to path variables, edit it, and here make a new entry and put the copied path. You can see here I have already added it, so I am not going to make the duplicate entry. I'm just deleting it. Okay. So to check if Node.js is installed or not, just open the command prompt, write node-v. If it is installed, it will show you the version. Otherwise, it will show you Node is not recognized as internal or external command. Okay, so if it is showing you the version, means it is installed properly. Now let's go to the place where we want to create our first application. So I'm at the folder where I want to create my first application. So what I will do is I will create, I will just open command prompt over here. Okay, I will do mkdir first node app cd to the new folder. Here first of all I will run npm init. It will ask few options, means what should be the name of the package, version, description. So just I'm just taking all the defaults right now. So it will create a package.json file. Okay. Now you can see inside folder we have this package.json file. Okay. So here we can to edit our package.json file. What we will do is we will open VS Code over here. Okay. So I will just try it again cmd. So it will open command prompt. From here, I will just write code dot because VS Code is already installed in my machine. So only code will open the VS Code and with dot we can open where we are right now, means in the first node app we are in that directory, so it will open that particular project. Okay, so once I press enter, you can see our first node app has been opened. Now here what I can do is I can just create one file, let's say index.js file. Okay, and just let's write one simple uh, printing. We are just going to print some uh, text here. My first app is working. Okay, and what you can do is you can directly run this application. Okay, from here what you need to do is you have to go to your home directory and write node then index.js. Okay, so you can see we got the output. Okay, so this is the one way of doing it. Even if you do not want to create package.json file, that is also fine. But here in future we are going to add couple of new thing, so that is why I have created it. Okay, so other way of running this application is, what you can do is you can just edit this script inside package.json file, start in place of test. I have replaced it with the start, and here write node and specify the same command index. Okay, you don't need to provide the JS over here. So we can run like npm start now because we have added this command. So we just need to do npm start. What it will do, it will run node index. Just let me enter. You can see what it is doing is it is running node index, and then it is printing the output. So I think this is it for the first application of Node.js. We will go through few more tutorials, and we will also cover from basic to advanced level of Node.js. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss further updates.